AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 truly is as of now at $0.005, which for the most part is genuinely huge. AMP really faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a genuinely large manner. AMP records in every way that really matters, descending development today in an unobtrusive way. 01 November 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these oftentimes truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is most certainly transient cost expectation for AMP, truly is AMP an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. AMP support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the by and large current economic situations, showing how AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,197,578,029, which really shows that AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 by and large is at present at $0.005, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The essentially absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $38,276,473,690, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, so the for the most part all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $38,276,473,690, which especially is very critical. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,442.45 level after a vertical development of 0.09% in an essentially enormous manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.17%, coming to $1,804.27 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.77, following a value change of 1.19% within a similar time period, which for the most part is very huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 4.86 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.17%, coming to $1,804.27 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in a real sense showed that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending bearing for momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a very significant way. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers really become considerably more beautiful dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants truly become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP truly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in a by and large significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while most certainly all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars in a kind of significant manner. There fundamentally are practically 42,227,702,186 basically are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which really shows that similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants explicitly become move especially dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unpretentious manner. AMP Value Investigation AMP Cost Examination for 01 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time span, truly made sense of underneath, which truly shows that AMP records genuinely descending development today, or so they in a real sense thought. We utilized truly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the AMP in an unpretentious manner explicitly. While AMP's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign generally will be by and large conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that we utilize relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to basically break down the future development of the AMP, which basically is very critical. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the kind of sign line after a hybrid, which especially shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in Esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.17%, coming to $1,804.27 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. AMP financial backers need to really hang tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday diagram, exhibiting how there by and large are practically 42,227,702,186, for the most part are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which in every way that really matters, shows that similarly. Obstruction generally is a level at which merchants basically become move truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an unobtrusive manner. The main help level for AMP in every practical sense is at $0.005, while the kind of second one basically is at $0.004, which for the most part is very huge. While taking about obstruction, the AMP generally has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 individually, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and in a real sense is attempting to sort of break out of the lack of bias zone, for the most part further appearance, how the principal support level for AMP by and large is at 0.0